when you borrow money, the banks will charge you two rates: interest and APR. You want to purchase a vehicle and the vehicle is worth $8,000. The dealership will send your application to several banks, and let's say that one bank comes back with an offer to tell you, I will give you the loan. And when it's time for you to pay the loan back, you will have to add 12% to the cost. This is called interest rate. So the interest rate is what you will pay more because you get the loan, is something that you give more to the bank because the bank trusts you enough to lend you money. And because the banks lend you money, they want you to pay something over the $8,000 interest rate. Practically for the year, let's say they will give you the loan for a year, you will be paying $960. However, there is a number that many of us fail to consider. That's the number, because the bank tell you, yes, I'm gonna give you the loan. Yes, you agree to pay 12% more, but I spend time looking for the loan. I spend time talking to you over the phone. I spend time trying to do some paperwork for you. So I have to have something in return. That's what they call APR. APR can be named different depending on the bank. They call them mostly origination fee. Some banks call it servicing fee. Some banks call it also processing fee. The APR is any additional fee. That's what you will be paying on top of the 10-12% that the bank already tells you to be paying. The vehicle is worth 8,000. Your interest rate for the year is 960. So you think that the loan costs only 0.698 960 because you focus on the 12%. But the other number will be 20.5% APR. So what will you do is to get the loan, which is 8,000 plus the 960 that you will be paying, and plus, and you will see what the 20% is. But the best way to do it is to do 8,000 times 20 divided by 100, which could be about, let's say, 1640. The loan, the APR will tell you the real cost, the real value of the loan. The interest rate tells you this is what you'll be paying more. But because the bank invests its time, so instead of paying for the year to get the real total of the loan, don't focus on the interest rate, but on the APR, which will be 0.469. So practically, that's what you will be paying for the loan. That's the real value of the loan. Lower APR. When you are buying your next vehicle, your next house, when you are borrowing money tomorrow, do not only focus on the interest rate. You have also to focus on the APR, because the APR is the real value of the loan. Let's say when you went to the dealership sent your application to several banks. Let's say 4 banks. Come back with an offer. One tells you, I will give you the loan with an interest rate of 8%. The other one said 12%. One said 14%. One said 10%. So right now, we will jump on the first one, right? 8% here, but do not jump yet. Now, ask the dealership or ask whoever is servicing you, what is the APR? They will tell you the APR, maybe not going to pay attention to it. Let's say the first one said 8%, but the APR is 20%. The 12% tell you 12%, but the APR is 18%. The 14 tell you 10%. And the 10% tells you 25% APR. Those are just numbers. So which one do you think has the more value? Remember, the lower the APR, the cheaper is the loan. We will be jumping on the 8%. Yes, maybe the 8% is not the best one. So you will go take your phone, use a calculator, or go to any app. You can calculate your payment to see which one is more, it has less value or will cost less. Because, again, the next time you go borrow money from the bank, don't just focus on the interest rate. Focus on the APR, because the APR will tell you how much you will be paying at the end.